In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Google Drive. Whether you're a teacher gathering feedback from students, a professional needing to collect data from clients, or someone organizing an event and managing RSVPs, Google Forms is a fantastic choice. This tutorial will guide you step by step from navigating to Google Drive's homepage to customizing your form exactly as you like. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, as this is necessary to access Google Drive once signed in. Click on the Drive option. This opens Google Drive, your cloud storage space where you can create, store, and organize all your documents, including forms. Now, focus on the upper left-hand corner of the screen and click on the New button. This will open a drop-down menu offering various options for creating files, including docs, sheets, and most importantly for us today, forms. If you don't immediately see forms, click on More to expand the options. Selecting Google Forms will open a new window or tab with a blank form, and this is where the fun begins. The possibilities are endless, from basic surveys to comprehensive questionnaires. On the form page, you'll see a default form ready for customization. Start by giving your form a title. Click on the text that says Untitled Form and type in your preferred title, whether it's a survey, feedback form, or event registration. Next, add questions. Google Forms allows different question types, such as multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, and more. Simply select your desired type and enter your question. Use the plus sign on the sidebar to add as many questions as needed. As you build your form, you can also add sections for better organization, include images for visual appeal, or even embed videos if they enhance your form, customize themes, colors, and fonts to give your form a personal touch. Once you finish designing, click on the eye icon to preview your form. This ensures everything looks perfect for your respondents before sharing it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a customized form using Google Drive. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Google Forms is a reliable tool for efficient data collection, surveys, and event management. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.